How to make a PDF on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make a PDF on iPhone. So let's dive in. So first you have to go to the Photos app on your iPhone and then select a photo that you want to make a PDF of. Once you select the photo, you simply have to click this share icon on the bottom left corner and then scroll down and find this option that says save to files and click this option. Now simply click save on the top right corner. Once done, go back and then open your Files app. And here you have this photo that you just saved. Just click these three dots on the top right corner and then click select on the drop down menu. And then select this image that you want to create a PDF of. And now click these three dots on the bottom right corner. And in the drop down menu, you simply have to click this option that says quick actions. And it's going to pop up with this menu. And here you can see you have this option that says create PDF. Click this option and here you can see it has created a PDF over here for me. And that's how you do it.